Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing Bantu knots. I'm going to try and do them neat because if they're cute then I'm going to wear them out. I'm going to try to wear them out. But yeah, so we're going to be doing that today, and I've been rocking this scarf for a couple of days now because I haven't been wanting to wear my hair out ever since I cut it. So when it's not braided up, and I just took my braids down about 2 weeks ago. So when it's not braided up, I've just been kind of wanting to keep it out of the way, and I haven't been wanting to actually put in the time to style it. So with these Bantu knots, I'm going to see what kind of style I can do off of that with this tapered cut. And actually I bought so many of these just the other day, so I plan on rocking it for a while. The products that I'm going to be using on my hair today is this Creme of Nature moisture whip twisting cream, and then of course my spray bottle that is mixed with some olive oil here, and then I'm going to use my it's a curling gel souffle by Shea Moistures. I've had this for so long, but I stopped using it because I think I got introduced to Ego Styler, and that's when I stopped using that one because Ego Styler had an actual hold and this one didn't. But when I did my twist outs, when I used to do twist outs all the time, I didn't need that hold. I didn't want it to be super crunchy. So honestly, I don't know why I just stopped using it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use it again and make sure there wasn't another reason why I stopped using it. So we'll see. All right. Okay, so my hair is sectioned off into 5, 10, 5, and I'll do 2 to 3 Bantu knots per section depending on how thick the hair is in that section. I section them off using these clips here. I just got these, so I'm just testing them out now. So far so good. Let me know what kind of clips you guys use, because I'm always on the prowl for heavy duty sturdy clips that can hold, you know, thick hair into place, thick short hair into place. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. So I've parted my hair and I've added my products, the twisting cream and my water oil solution, and then now I'm adding the curl gel souffle. And you just want to make sure when you're detangling your hair to do that on damp hair. It's more manageable that way, and it also prevents breakage. I'm going to grab 2 pieces of hair in that parted section and twist it until I get to the ends. And once I get to the ends, I'm going to kind of twirl it around my fingers just so it can get tight, and then I'm going to start twisting it around itself. But when I do that, I'm going to twist it under as I'm wrapping around. You want to make sure it's not too tight, but it's not too loose so that it will unravel. And if it's a little too loose, or if it's a short piece that feels like it won't stay tucked under, just grab a little rubber band and wrap it around twice so it's not pulling on your ends or your edges or just too tight. But you want to make sure that it is easy to come off when it's time to take them down. $7 for this one section, so I guess it depends on how big you want to do them, and I just so happen to do them super fucking small, so this is what we got. Bantu knotted up. It's not too bad, but it's definitely not the neatest that I wanted, and it's definitely not 2 to 3 per section. My count was off, guys. My count was off. I'm gonna just go ahead and put my scarf back on it, and I'm gonna probably keep my scarf on it for 2 to 3 days, to be honest, because one, I don't want to fuck with it. I don't want to keep putting any stress on it. I don't want to keep having to detangle it, and I always want to detangle it with the comb, and sometimes detangling it with the comb can do damage to it. Not all the time, but if you do it all the time, you're definitely going to lose some. And I don't like doing it with my fingers. because my curls are so like fine and tight that these fingers are not gonna get it. They're not gonna get it to be, you know, detangled all the way. And I do understand that as soon as I comb it anyway, it's already just tangled. But what I usually do, everybody does it differently, and I just started wearing these scarves. I think it looks cute, especially if you put your face on, flick back your baby hairs. It can be really cute. So I'm actually gonna put a stocking cap on because they're in knots and I wanna kinda keep it flat, but it's not gonna be too flat, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine doesn't. I don't want mine to be perfect. And I like to double up on scarves just so it can look more full, since these ones are a little on the thin side. Once I bring it to the front, I'm just twisting. And then once it gets kind of tight, then that's when I start to go around. And again, just like the Bantu knots, I'm twisting under as I go around so it can stay. That second scarf really made a big difference in how the knot looks. And there you have it. And then this is it. I will leave the house like this. And it's not too Bantu knotty, I don't think, but I also can't see it. And even if it is, it's fine. It's completely fine. So you can cover your ears. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends. A solid 3 days later, more than I expected, I had a little photo shoot after I took these Bantu knots down. I usually only last 2 days. Here's a pic after I directly took the Bantu knots down before I did any picking, manipulating, or styling to it. After picking it out and playing with it a little bit, it just came to life. I have a lot of frizz in the back because it's so short, and when I was picking it out, I just completely forgot how short it was and picked it out a little further than I should have went. So that took away a little of the definition in the back, and in the front there is a little product residue, not much, but you can tell. I'm really impressed with the gel. I have no idea why I stopped using it. It didn't leave my hair feeling crunchy or nasty. It was the perfect hold for these knots. All right, that's it. We'll see you later. See you later. See you later. We'll see you later. Peace out.